Sliding into DMs, navigating modern communication. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular phrase in the digital age: slide into his DMs. This expression is not just a bunch of words thrown together but a reflection of how social media has shaped the way we communicate. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about internet slang, this video will help you understand this modern phrase's nuances and how to use it correctly. Slide into his DMs refers to the act of sending a direct message, DM, to someone you're interested in on social media platforms with the intent of starting a private conversation. The word slide here suggests a smooth, effortless action, often with a hint of flirtation or casualness. It's a way to initiate contact without the pressure of a public interaction. This phrase originated from the rise of social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, where users can send private messages, DMs, to each other. Over time, sliding into DMs became synonymous with making a bold or flirtatious first move. It's widely used among younger generations and has become a common topic in memes, jokes, and online discussions. When someone says they're going to slide into his DMs, it often implies a casual approach to getting to know someone or showing interest. However, it's essential to understand the cultural nuances and ensure that any communication is respectful and consensual. The phrase can be seen as fun and flirty, but it's important to recognize boundaries and the recipient's comfort level. Casually mentioning interest: I think he's really interesting. I might just slide into his DMs. Advice among friends: if you like her, why not slide into her DMs and see if she's interested? Discussing social media interactions: I can't believe he actually slid into my DMs last night. We've been chatting all day. Slide into his DMs is more than just a phrase. It's a glimpse into the evolving landscape of digital communication. As English language learners, understanding these expressions can offer insight into cultural trends and social norms. We hope this video has shed some light on this modern expression and perhaps even encouraged you to explore the dynamics of communication in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.